Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Brandon. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Before I get into this video, make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't already. Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be working on my E90. Engine bay is very, very dirty. As you can see here, we have rust, we have just dirt, grime, oil, and I want to get rid of all that. So we're going to give it a nice cleanse today. Never did this before, but I think I've watched enough tips and tutorials to get this job done myself. So if you guys want to tackle this on your own, just stay tuned and follow through.
Well, first, if you want to get the dust off first, you're going to have to hit it first with a little bit of that. And I like to. And just like that, you've cleaned your E90.
What is an E90?
My car.
Alright, so I'm going to be spraying the engine down with water, like light water from the hose. And I want to cover up my intakes and a couple other electrical components just to make sure that nothing gets fried. I'm gonna throw some water on this. That's N54 for you. Have all these leaks, oil all over my hands. I want to cover a little bit of the alternator as well as this little wiring right there that's exposed. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to take this off just because of the fact that I can't really cover it because this is in the way. For some reason also I have oil on my I guess on my intake piping. Like, it's all oil. I know I have a gasket valve leak which I'll be fixing in a future video. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to flip you guys off. But yeah, I have oil right here. If you guys know why, definitely let me know because this is weird. Definitely shouldn't have oil right there. Also, as you saw, I ran AutoZone, grabbed me some things. I got some shop towels, weird looking brush, microfiber towels. Also got this Meguiar's Ultimate Black Restorer for like the black shrimp parts. I really want to bring them to life. No, it's not a promo for them. This is just the cheapest thing I saw. It was about $7. And then I bought some black spray paint because there's some rusted parts that I want to get rid of, and I bought some high temp engine enamel that's in black. So we're going to want to do first is we're going to get it a little bit wet so that way we can apply some soap or soapy water and get to scrubbing. Alright, next I'm gonna do some scrubbing with the brush. I got this all-purpose cleaner, this green natural. So hopefully this does the job. Spray a little bit of this in the corners. Try to get rid of this oil. I'm not gonna lie, it smells pretty good. hit it with some more all-purpose.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
I'm going to spray this one more time with all-purpose cleaner and then let it sit. And I'm going to wipe the all-purpose cleaner off with shop towels. I see a big difference in the way this looks. The only thing I had a problem with getting would be this part right here on this intake manifold. There's a lot of square parts and it's really hard to get into each and every corner, especially with the brush I have. This brush isn't the best brush. If I had like a toothbrush or something like that, I'd be able to get inside each corner, but I still think it's a lot better than what it was. Like I said, it looks a lot cleaner. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this Meguiar's Ultimate Black trim restore or plastic restore, and I'm going to go over all the plastic pieces that are on this, and then hopefully that gives it like a nice shine, and then we're going to go and touch up the rust spots. So I didn't have time today to remove this bracket right here for paint. Reason being is because there's 2 bolts down here, one down here, and one down here. So when I took this off, I wasn't able to have an extension that's long enough to reach down there. The extension I have, I don't have a socket for it, so it can't fit. So that sucks, but I'll get to this another day. That note, guys, that's gonna be it. Sheesh. Still need a haircut. Quarantine life. Don't forget, stay safe. But that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching me clean my engine bay on my E90. It has $150,000 miles on the car, and I think it looks great for how many miles I have. Let me know how many miles you guys have in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.